Hello friends. Today my topic is on proportionate deduction clause in health insurance policy. When you take a room in hospital, if that room rent is more than your capping of policy, then here on your entire claim amount will be reduced as a proportion of difference between the limit of room and availed room cost. Please note proportionate deduction clause is not applicable on medicines, implants and medical devices because which are sold at MRP, maximum retail price. Proportionate deductions comes to notice when your room rent is higher than insurance policy limit as per the terms and condition. Calculation formula is room rent limit as per the policy divided by availed room rent multiplied by 100. Understand with an example. Suppose your room rent limit is rupees 3000 and you avail room rent for rupees 4000, then the calculation will be rupees 3000 divided by 4000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 75%. So here, as per the example, you are eligible for coverage of 75% of claim, in which medicines, implants, medical devices cost pays as per the actual. Understand with an example. One of my friend recently hospitalized with a cover of rupees 4 lakh sum insured with a room capping of rupees 4000 rupees per day. My friend does not like the rupees 4000 per day private room and he opts for a deluxe room that is charged of rupees 8000 rupees per day. So final bill is as follow table. Number of days hospitalized 5 days. Kindly check format of approval letter through my blog. So here my friend gets only rupees 85,000 paid out of the total rupees 1,60,000 he has billed for just due to mistake of checking policy terms and condition. So we can utilize full claim amount and pay less premium. This is the main important advantage. Whatever we want to say for this clause, then keep this in mind while taking the policy.